Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to our autumn drive along Highway 6 through Hamilton, Ontario. As we travel this beautiful stretch of road, the colors of fall are all around us. The trees are turning shades of red, orange, and yellow, giving the landscape a warm and peaceful feeling. This is a perfect time to enjoy the natural beauty of the area. Highway 6 is one of the longest highways in Ontario, stretching from Port Dover on Lake Erie all the way to Baldwin near Lake Huron. Today, we're driving through the part that passes Hamilton, a city known for its rich history and stunning landscapes. One of the most special features here is the Niagara Escarpment, often called the Mountain by locals. The rolling hills and quiet roads are especially pretty in the fall, and many people come out here just to enjoy the view. Highway 6 has been improved over the years to make travel safer and easier, and it connects many small communities along the way. Thanks for joining us on this autumn drive along Highway 6 through Hamilton, Ontario. Thanks for watching!